Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake burnt, only way. Preheat oven very high and prepare a shallow pan, skip the water bath, and prioritize direct radiant heat for the top. Use full fat cream cheese, slightly more egg yolks, and a thinner batter layer to encourage swift surface caramelization. Watch for a deeply browned, almost cracked top while the interior still wobbles slightly. Warm the cream cheese to room temperature and beat until perfectly smooth to avoid lumps in the brown crust. Add extra egg yolks and just enough sugar to balance bitterness from deep caramelization, then strain for a silky batter. Pour into a shallow tin lined with parchment so the top heats quickly, and tap out air bubbles to promote an even, dramatic color without burning the interior. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you want more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes by the counter. It's lightweight and glare-free so your cookbook stays clean while you torch the top. I love using it to follow steps hands-free, and it stores every dessert book I own. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the pan in the middle rack of a very hot oven and watch the surface carefully as it darkens faster than a regular cheesecake. Resist the urge to open the oven often, but rotate once if one side cooks faster. Remove when edges are set and the center still wobbles slightly, then cool quickly at room temperature before chilling briefly so the interior firms without losing that fudgy quality you want beneath the burnt top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.